Hey, I am X. Welcome to the X-VPN channel. Today we're answering some spicy questions about VPN. Oof, coming in hot. Good thing I'm an emotionless robot. It says ISP can't see my IP, but the VPN knows everything, huh? How do I know they're not selling my data for a quick buck? VPN companies are businesses, and businesses are all about the money, not your privacy. Skeptical? Totally get it. But here's the truth. Leading VPN companies are going out of their way to minimize or even completely avoid collecting your personal data. Why? Because the VPN industry is insanely competitive. No single provider dominates the market. To stay ahead and earn users' trust, many VPNs go the extra mile to protect your privacy. Some host their servers in European countries, placing themselves under GDPR, one of the strictest data privacy laws in the world. Others let you sign up with a fake email or pay with cryptocurrency. Selling user data? That would destroy trust, break laws, and basically kill the business. Risking it all for short-term profit? That's just stupid. And hey, if you still want a little more peace of mind, no problem. Just take a few minutes to read their privacy policy. It usually spells out what data they collect and what they don't. Doubt cleared. Moving on. Aha! Funny enough, it connects right back to what I just said. That privacy policy is a long, stinky read. Who's really gonna bother? Makes you wonder if VPNs really deliver on their promise of privacy. VPNs promise privacy. Doritos promise flavor. At least Doritos always deliver. I love Doritos too. Doritos, pay up. Still, let's be clear. The privacy policy isn't exactly a page-turner, but it's not meant to be. It's a legal commitment. Breaking them isn't just bad public relations, it can mean lawsuits, bans, even shutdowns. If you ever see a super short privacy policy, that's when you should really be worried. Let's keep it rolling. It says using a free VPN means you're not the customer, you're the product. Can't afford the premium equals don't deserve privacy. Hey, don't be so gloom. Yes, there have been cases where free VPNs sold user data. That's why it's crucial to choose a reputable VPN provider, one that's backed by a solid track record. Do a quick search to check if they've had any past data leaks. And the good news? More and more leading VPN companies are now offering free versions. If you're feeling extra cautious, take a moment to read their privacy policy and check who they work with. If it's some familiar, reputable platforms, chances are you'll feel a whole lot better. Next roast, please. Been online butt naked for 10 years, pretty sure my ISP knows me better than my mom. Now I'm supposed to panic and slap on a VPN? Thanks, capitalism. Wow, brutal, beautiful. Yeah, your ISP's got a decade's worth of dirt on you like embarrassing childhood photos. But slap on a VPN and suddenly you're rocking a mask and shades online. Your past is still there, but try linking your new look to those old moves. No chance. Privacy's never too late. Better late than totally exposed, right? Any more? I'm running out of juice here. Oh wait, 2 more. It says they sit in the middle, route your traffic through their servers, and then hype it up as some kind of privacy protection. If you're clueless, you totally think it's some next level tech. Okay, I got you. You're saying VPNs aren't all that technical, but a VPN is not just acting as a traffic detour that hides your real IP address. It encrypts your data before it leaves your device, then wraps it in a secure tunnel, keeping prying eyes out. On top of that, with obfuscation and disguise tech, no one can even tell you're using a VPN. To outsiders, it might just look like you're accessing a Google server. Nothing suspicious at all. We're not claiming anything is a tech miracle, but it's truly a proven, effective tool. Oh yeah, let's check out the final one. Trust the ISP? Trust the VPN? Better trust me. Who am I? I'm nothing. Anyway, your data is everything. Now, real talk, we're not perfect, but aren't we still more trustworthy than those ISPs and apps tracking your every move? Just a thought to share with you, friend. Alright folks, thanks for sticking with me through all the heat. If you enjoyed this roast session, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your own roasts or questions down below. I'm X, signing off.